So for this demo, both tanks are OBBs. The enemy tank fires ABBs, and my tank fires B-spheres. I did a little bit more involved testing for each one individually, but just for the sake of getting a quick and concise video, I'm just going to walk through each one. So as you can see, the ABB can hit the player from a variety of angles. OBBs can touch each other. Even if I try to get real, even if I get super close, they'll still work. I can do a full walk around without touching him, which is kind of hard to see because that, in hindsight, this is not the greatest demo. But okay, and if the player bullet kills the enemy bullet, so as you can see, sphere still touches ABB, and sphere still touches OBB. And I probably need to look at my B-sphere logic because those are freaking massive. To accomplish this, just math tools on math tools on math tools. I added, so here's my 3, 2, 1 test sets, and then the 3 and 1s I added. Okay. ABB to OBB, okay. Yes, so this was my, I'll start the little guys. So I essentially just took the PowerPoint's boxes and made those into functions. And the rest fell into place. So you have the detect overlap on vector, which does the full projection and the 2 half projections and compares the two. And then this does all 15 of them. My idea with this was try to make my code as generic as possible so I could use it both for ABB and OBB, and it ended in this parameter explosion, which I really should probably put another function wrapper because this is just grotesque, considering the vast majority of it is the same except this guy. So yeah, I'll write that a wrapper later. But for now, it's super generic and it works well between both. I accomplished this by having collision volume, bounding box base. This just says all the objects and some getters, and then they both have their implementations on how each of those values are actually calculated. And then during that last run through, you could see assets, data scraper output, player data. My parser my little data scraper was hard at work. So also player score is a single point because in the user code I actually made it so they could save a list, register it for saving, and then they add the points manually. So when the player dies, somewhere in here. Yeah. This is jank, but just because I keep using the escape, I just put it here. So they insert their current score at the end of the game session, and that's how I get that. You get the exposition, and then you get the bullets in the pool, out of the pool, so you could do some more number crunching on that. And this looks derpy, but that's just because this guy actually spawns later than everyone else, so he misses his first point.